And very pure, Justin Van Sant, everybody.
Hey guys, hey Bluebird, how's it going? My name is Justin Van Sant. I'd first like to say thanks to Chris for letting me borrow his really cool guitar strap. I forgot to brush my teeth and forgot to bring a guitar strap tonight. This first song is called Woman Got in the Way, and I think I may have found actually the right one that got in the way, so sorry she can't be here right now. She's back in Texas, so here we go. Could run just like the wind. When I was 17, I was breaking all the records on my high school football team. They said I'd go to college and raise that Heisman Trophy high, and sit on for the pros and be some $1 million guy. And they all wondered what happened. A woman got in the way. She was so good looking, she had all the right things to say. Her name was Jessie Ashworth, the girl that got around. Yeah, we ran off together to some sleepy little town. I didn't care what my mom and dad would say. There y'all are. I let a woman get in the way. Oh, I came home shortly after Jessie met some other guy. So I headed off to college, left my playing days behind. I'd soon become a lawyer, maybe mayor of my hometown. Then I'd head straight off to Congress and do great things all around. Heck, I could have been president someday. But it won't got in the way. She was so good looking, she had all the right things to say. Her name was Erin Robinson, the hometown beauty queen. Yeah, we ran off to Vegas, where she would marry me. But you can't call me a no-good fool today for letting a woman get in the way. Y'all doing alright, Bluebird? Y'all have a good time? Got a real good job and a loving wife and 2 twin girls on the way. I can leave her aside and take that flight that my boss wants me to take. Yeah, right, man. Sorry, boss. 2 little women got in the way. They look so much like their mama, that's a good thing, I must say. And I touched their little tummies, and I felt their little hearts beat, and I held their little hands, and I kissed their little feet. You can't call me a daddy today for letting a woman get in the way. So let your woman get in the way. Thank you all very much. I am the oldest of triplets. I actually have family here. My mom and dad are here. My stepmom are here. I have some friends and family out from Texas. Came all the way here. They didn't know I was only playing 3 songs. I didn't tell them until they finally got here. I don't know if they would have made the trip had I told them that. But we've had a great time, and I'm really blessed to have you guys here, all of you. The Beckers in the back from Texas. And thank you so much, and friends and family here in Nashville too. Thank you so much, guys, and for you listening. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I love it. All right, this next one is one I wrote with my buddy Richard Carr. It is on my CD. Actually, all these are on my CD, but it is just about getting in the car and just you and your lover and just getting after it. Down the road. Come on, guys. I've got the engine running, baby, just hop in. No GPS, no map, no nothing. We're headed where the wind will take us to. Destination, me and you. Don't need a change of clothes, you know, they're only coming off. Heaven only knows we need to make a little love that's overdue. Destination, me and you. Searching high and low for our own little place in the sun. So baby, slide real close. Watch the world outside disappear in our rearview. Destination, me and you. Let's get out of the city, find a little patch of green, roll around on wildflowers. It'll be just like a dream come true, yeah. Destination, me and you. Searching high and low for our own little place in the sun. So baby, slide real close. Watch the world outside disappear in our rear view. Destination, me and you. Searching high and low for our own little place in the sun. So baby, slide real close. Watch the world outside disappear in our rear view. Tangled up in the wild blue. Destination, me and you. Baby slide, baby slide, baby slide, baby slide real close. Baby slide, baby slide, baby slide, baby slide real close. Thank y'all. Alright, this last song I'm going to invite my best friend in Nashville, Richard Carr, to play a song. We wrote this one together. It's called Lift and Wait. Richard, here he comes. Richard has grown up in Nashville. He is quite the talent. He was on Can You Duet, and the guy's an amazing songwriter, an amazing friend. Here you go, Richie.
He's lying. I'm not talented, and I'm not his friend either.